Hello, everyone, and welcome to Midday. I'm Supriya Nair, and today with me is Prathamesh Sonsurkar, who is a cybercrime expert. Hi, Prathamesh. Welcome to Midday.
Hi.
I know we've heard this a dozen times not to send out our personal information, not to give out our account numbers. Apart from these, are there any specific pointers from you that people should not do or not react to when they get such emails?
Anything unsolicited coming in your life is always to be flagged off. Second, there are small things. Now, when we order anything from any e-commerce website or from anywhere, please make sure you are deleting that outer box copy where your name, address, phone numbers are present. Because now this is this new emerging concept known as dumpster diving. Now, what do you mean by dumpster diving? This set of hackers, they visit the local raddiwalas and all this stuff. They buy those dumpster, and from there they just dive into that dumpster, whether they're getting any kind of legitimate substances, or what I call it as data points. Now, for example, if I have ordered something from Amazon, eventually on the packing, my name, my address, my phone number, and my email ID are already present. And I'm just opening the packet, taking out my product, and I'm just throwing away that packet instead of shredding it. What happens is that the entire data points have been going to that local rattiwala, and that's how these hackers gain into this data. Now, per se, it becomes very easy for him to have a outwit, or in other words, I would say a vantage point in front of you. Now, for example, Supriya, you are just ordered anything and you have all these details. I visited randomly, I'm not talking targetedly, but randomly I visited your local rattiwalas. Apparently, what I'm going to get: your name, your address, your phone number. What I do, I just call you and say ki, hello, am I speaking to Supriya? Hello, is this address 13B XYZ correct? Is this your phone number? Is this your mail ID? You would get confused, like how the person in front of me is having so much of
Knows
details.
everything.
So
Yeah, yeah.
then I would just simply say I'm from a passport verification department. However, there was some malicious activity, and you just need to click on this link. Else, we need to scramble out the passport status, which is being set to live. High chances you might be fooled. Why? Because the person in front has provided you with this kind of data points where a sense of authenticity is established. So whenever in your life, I mean, this is for the normal audience, if you ever feel someone is outwitting you with your own information, never get under that false aura of being fooled that oh my god, he's original or he is authentic. Anyone having more data points about your life does not state his authenticity of that particular position which he is referring to while approaching to you. So you need to make sure ki first, never to be panic during such cases, because that's what we become कि अरे बाप रे, मेरा इतना डेटा उसके पास है, आइला मतलब मेरा पासपोर्ट गया, अभी मेरे को क्या करना है. So in this way, panic is the first essence which you should never be. In other terms, you should start wondering how that particular person is getting all this information from. And those are very simple data entries. Now, you might have observed even right in our apps also, when we talk of something, automatically we start getting the relevant ads relating what we are talking. In the same way, data is like spreading everywhere, and there are high chances in current situation where your data might be present some or the in some or the other way. Even if you Google yourself, there might be some websites who might be showing your Instagram photos, who might be showing your Facebook photos in the image section. Now, where are these images coming from? Eventually, these social media apps have some third-party signups. That the tick box, I agree to all terms and conditions, which we ignore and just sign in. So from that also, please make sure that you are checking that box, because there are many commerce hacking being occurred where that fast loan companies have been flared in the past market, which was offering you loan more than your credit. and apparently it was observed that those weren't as per the RBI norms and RBI approved websites, and those were siphened off. And installing that app, now app asks for permissions like phone permission, gallery permission. So eventually these spam companies used to get tons of data of your images, your contacts, and then they used to blackmail ki now we will call your family, that we will call your friends and stuff like that. So again, panic. So
Right.
that's also, panic is the ground cause of human tendency where we start becoming vulnerable. Please, I would refer you to have a little platform knowledge on what technologies you are using or what apps you are installing. That
Right.
simply does not belong ki I won't give away my personal details. Sometimes it happens ki you yourself ignorantly give away your details. Compartmentalize your bank details with your personal details. Means having separate dedicated number for your bank, which you're not sharing it with anyone, rather than having this one number across all platform, because that would eventually create a bottleneck issue. If one account gets compromised, eventually all accounts gets under scrutiny.
Right.
So compartmentalizing your data is of prime essence. So one quote I remember, there's this one, because in our Indians, we are more for free. So there's this one quote where I heard, and that's so true. In life, you get nothing for free. Well, if you're getting something for free, probably you are the product.
Okay, Prathamesh, you just opened this can of worms. Very, very useful knowledge that we definitely need, and more people need to be aware of, such phishing attacks and such scams that are happening. So, thank you so much for your time, and we will definitely, use everything that you have said and reevaluate how we've been using our, online applications and every other online transaction. Thank you so much, Prathamesh. Thank you.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.